So guys, I am going to the market this evening. Obi just came now, so I had to leave the kids with him because I cannot take children to the market. It's not possible. So yeah, you don't want to know I'm dressed like. Just are you seeing that? Did you see that? That's how I'm dressed. So I'm looking for a bike right now. I've seen one. Yeah, let's go to the market together. Market. How much? You carry me go inside. You go stop me carry enter another one. I can't say me you carry me go inside. Not inside that they go before. For the same amount. They tell me 200. For this period. This one I age you. You don't get handle. Handle not there. Okay. That's not for how much.
Check one way you like because there are different sizes.
Okay. And what else? What else do I need? I need lasso, jollof rice, maggi, and fried rice. Which one you get?
Lasso chicken.
No, I mean jollof rice, any brand.
You have Napa jollof.
Napa Guinea.
Yes.
What's that? I don't know. No. I don't know where your face not going to. Say this and now my rice is true. Alright. By the time I came, I didn't know you were not fine. Eight mudu and half. Ojara. Almost 10,000. Hey, Nigeria.
You don't give you
Because it throwing out. We for just fall lost there. 250, 150. Take. You don't get yellow corn.
Yellow corn, maybe not. That was
Now that one way the other side and the seller.
the seller.
I just got home. Prices of things in the market. Like the way things are. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Huh? What's that? What's this? Okay, Sylvia is doing unboxing for you guys. Okay. Yes. 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 They're showing me as if I was not the one that bought them from the market. Oh, what's this? Wow. Wow. Okay. The price of things in the market. Girl. Every day, they're increasing things every day. All the things I tend to buy, I could not finish. Madam, leave that thing. I could not finish. I could not buy them. $9,250.
Send it.
Turmeric, pomo, and pepper and maggi. I'll just let it simmer for some minutes, say 2 minutes. Yeah. Our soup is ready. I want to make semo here. Water is ready. This is the Ogbonor soup. It's so ready, you guys.